students, let us solve another problem on STTR, that is standardized death rate when two locations along with the standard population is given. So this problem I have taken from the textbook, problem number 24, page number 42, and for sake of calculation I have taken it separately. This is the village A and this data table shows village B. And first let us solve for the village A. In the problem they have given standard population that is the same for both the location. Village A and village B, for both the location standard population will be remain same. And let us calculate first ASDR for location A. And we all know the formula for standardized death rate, that is STDR for location A is equal to summation PA divided by summation P. So A refers to ASDR of location A and P refers to standard population. And to calculate this we need to calculate first ASDR, and ASDR formula is equal to deaths in a particular age group divided by population in that age group into 1000 for first location, first age group 0 to 20. 128 are deaths, so 128 divided by population is 8000 into 1000. So ASDR for age group 0 to 20 is equal to 128 divided by 8000 into 1000 is equal to 16. So first ASDR is 16, and that is referred as A, and we multiply this 16 with standard population P for first age group, that is 20,000. So 16 into 20,000 is equal to 3,20,000. And second age group 20 to 50, 65 are deaths. So 65 divided by 13,000 into 1000 is equal to 5. And 5 into 30,000 standard population is equal to 1,50,000. And the third age group deaths are 140 divided by population 10,000 into 1000 is equal to 14. And standard population is 35,000. So 14 into 35,000 is equal to 4,90,000. And last age group 70 and above, 252 are deaths divided by 4,000 into 1000 is equal to 63. 63 into standard population 15,000 is equal to 9,45,000. So 9,45,000, and the total for PA column is 19,05,000. 19,05,000 is the total for PA column, that is standard population into ASDR of location A. And what is the total of standard population? So 20 plus 30, 50,000 plus 35,000, 85,000 plus 15,000, that is 1 lakh. So STDR is equal to 19,05,000 divided by 1 lakh is equal to 19.05. 19.05. That is the STDR for first location. And here, based on just one population's STDR, we cannot compare and comment. So we need to calculate for village B. So let us calculate STDR for village B. So here everything is given, and the formula for STDR is STDR is equal to summation PB divided by summation P. So PB, B refers to ASDR of B location and P refers to standard population. So first calculate ASDR for village B. So first age group 0 to 20, 72 is the deaths. So 72 divided by 4000 into 1000 is equal to 18. So 18 into 20,000 is equal to 3,60,000. And the second age group 54 divided by 9,000 into 1000 is equal to 6 into 30,000, that is equal to 1,80,000. And the third age group 98 divided by 7,000 into 1000 is equal to 14, and 14 into 35,000 is equal to 4,90,000. And the last age group 129 divided by 3000 into 1000 is equal to 43, and 43 into 15,000 is equal to 6,45,000. The total for column PB is 16,75,000, and the total for standard population is 1 lakh. So STDR for location B is equal to 16,75,000 divided by 1 lakh. So STDR for location B is 16.75. Now based on these two STDRs we can compare and comment. So here STDR for location B is less, 16.75. That indicates per 1000 population 16.75 people will die. So here, and for location A 19.05, that indicates per 1000 population 19.05 persons will die. And here when it comes to mortality, which location you say as a healthier? So obviously where deaths are less, where death rate is less, that location is considered as a healthier location. And based on these two figures here, location B, so STDR of location B is less than STDR of location A. That is standardization. Standardized death rate of B is less than standardized death rate of location A. Therefore, village, in this problem they are given as a village. So village B is healthier. Village B is healthier than village A. So, dear students, here you should give more importance to the standard population. What do you do? So, most of the students, they make mistake while taking the standard population itself. So, they take sometime standard population as location A or location B, and maybe any other mistakes they may do. So here when standard population is given, the same standard population will be taken for both the location A and as well as location B. And next we'll solve another problem where standard population will be one of the given population.